Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you what I know about the new Traxxas Drag Slash. As I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to talk about the new Traxxas Drag Slash, but before we get started I wanted to thank you for stopping in to watch my video. Now that that's over with, let's get to it. Details on the new Traxxas Slash are limited at best, but let's break down the teaser advertisement and see what we might be able to guess from it. Let's start this from top to bottom and go through it. According to their website, speed, power, performance, innovation. These are the hallmarks of every Traxxas model and an unbeatable combination for radio-controlled excitement. Soon you will experience them in a new way with the 1967 Chevrolet C10 big window short bed riding on the Traxxas Slash chassis. This is much more than a slash for the street. The C10 drag truck is unlike anything else in the no-prep scene. Its combination of innovative straight-line speed and performance, outstanding scale realism, and the legendary versatility and durability of the world-beating Slash with some big new surprises. It's a machine engineered to perform at the highest level and is equipped so that every driver at any skill level can race with confidence and have fun going fast on the street or at the strip. For me, the big news surprises is what stands out the most in this synopsis. Are we talking about a new motor, an ESC, a mid-mounted motor, sway bars, the return of the Goodyear tire, or maybe something crazy like a solid axle? My mind is swimming with the possibilities. Fastest name in radio controlled is the tagline of Traxxas, but they've changed things up a little bit with the quickest on the street tagline. They seem to have invested in a trademark, which makes you wonder what else they have in store that would need a trademark for such a thing. The body will feature a 1967 Chevy C10 in 6 different colors. There appears to be a new wheelie bar on the rear end of this truck, and there are almost no hints to the wheels and tires in this trailer, but because Proline has the Hoosier license and Losi has the Mickey Thompson license, I think there's a really good possibility that we will see the return of the Goodyear tire. Traxxas has officially taken to calling this model the Drag Slash. They have even trademarked the name, and frankly I'm a little puzzled over this move, but Traxxas seems to think that the name needs protected by a trademark. This is where we get to make some guesses about what those big surprises will be. Will it be an RTR, a roller, or a kit? Will it have a VXL motor, a 540 XL, or maybe something new? Will it be a mid-motor or a rear-mounted motor? Will it have the TQ or the TQI radio? Will it have sway bars? Will it have a solid rear axle? Will it have new shocks? Will it be licensed tires? Or maybe it'll be something from left field. The possibilities really are endless here. So what do you guys think are the big surprises Traxxas has in store for this aging Slash platform? The one thing we do know is its approximate release date of sometime in May. This seems to be a strategic move to release at or near the same time as the new Losi drag car. Who knows how long this model has been in the works at Traxxas, but this might be a rush job just to try to get it to the market before Losi gets theirs. These list of surprises really should tell us the truth on that fact, so I really hope this is as well thought out and as innovative as promised. Just as Traxxas promises new details are coming on this model, I will stay on top of the release of it, and as more details come out, you'll see another video from me. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me, and if you want to be notified of the newest videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. I mention this in all of my videos. If you aren't hitting that bell, you aren't getting notified of the new videos that go up, so go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for today, and I hope to see you in the next one.